In the past, mitre saws were bulky, big, heavy to carry around the job site. In recent times, we've been introduced to machines like these that are lightweight, compact, and easy to move around the job site. This is the brand new DWS778 that is fitted with a 1850 watt motor that spins a 250 mm blade at 4300 RPMs per minute, making lightweight of wood, giving you clean cuts at all times. The DWS778 is fitted with a XPS system that is unique to DEWALT, shining an LED light on your blade, giving you a shadow mark on the material that you're cutting, giving you accuracy at all times. Looking at the machine at this angle, already you'll think that this machine is a compound mitre saw. But in fact, if you unlock the rail lock and release the locking pin at the back that prevents the machine from rising up, like that, this is actually a slide mitre saw, making it compact and easy to put in confined spaces. The DWS778 allows you to do a single bevel at 48 degrees and also allows you to do mitre cuts both left and right at 50 degrees. At 17 kilograms, the DWS778 is lightweight and it will be easy for you to move around the job site. The DWS778 has got a maximum depth cut of 85 millimeters and a cross cut of 305 millimeters. For a more detailed video, please click the link above where you'll see the unboxing of this machine and what you're getting in the box. But for now, let us look at the storage box and the speed squares.